This is ProPresenter 6, and let's take a look at the various things that we have here. First off, this is the window where you'll normally see what's actually going up on screen. But in ProPresenter 6, you can also see what's going on the stage display there as well. So that's something for you to keep in mind. Under that, and that can be resized, by the way. In fact, I'm going to do this just so that you can see more of the other elements of this UI. Next, we have the libraries underneath. You can sort them by title, category, last used date, etc. Also search for them there. Then underneath that, we have playlists. So I've got multiple playlists here in this particular one. And this is the section where you can see all the slides that you can choose from. You'll notice this one is grayed out. All that means is it's still available, but it's normally going to be skipped over. So if I were to, this is on an auto timer, but let's say this was a song like this, okay? See how I've got multiple slides. If one was grayed out, let's do that real quick by right-clicking and clicking Disable Slides. So if it's grayed out and I hit the space bar, it skips right over that. But it's still available, so that's a handy little thing for you to know. I'm going to right-click, select Enable Slides. That brings that back. Now, you'll see I've got this icon up here that says Video Image. That brings up the video image bin, which again I can resize just by bringing the cursor down to the line and clicking and dragging. So background videos, we'll talk more about those later. Foreground videos, we'll talk more about those later, etc. So that's the basic UI. You'll notice that up here we have different icons. You may or may not have all the icons that I have. I've chosen the ones that I prefer. You can change those at any time. What's very useful though is the clear all, clear slides, etc. These icons in here, clear all, clears everything. So that's kind of the basic layout of ProPresenter. This is the stuff you have access right now. This is the entire service. Videos, foregrounds or backgrounds. Foreground videos can be in here or they can be mixed amongst your slides if you need them that way. And this is your library where you have all your songs, all your, basically any element in the worship service would live here first, and then you can access it at any time. So you may not want to reuse speaker notes, for example, but you would want to reuse worship songs. So all that lives there, and you can organize those again by category. So you can if you do that, you'll notice that I've got these presentations, then I have songs, and then I've got speaker notes, and then I've got worship. So that can really help you when you're organizing this. So that's just a basic overview of the user interface, the UI in ProPresenter 6.